The most biggest scam in Ghana politics is a 24-hour economy policy. 24-hour economy, you know. They say the most useless and the most scam policy. Policy and nipa ya tenance ya mpa pen anto ho amplane. E pie fro bo numu keke. Ye e de ka na pontene. O munni ma de ko de. Sa policy na busia. Because media lens for TikTok is for no. Abe clash with John Mahama NDC na awoye vice president. Efa ensem bia na nsem mu. Jena na abe kan fa 24-hour economy. Mama for say masa. Eje say na mo kan ye. With all due respect, eje say na mo kan ye. Be man tribu no akira wa adwen ama me. Ewo comment section. Ayi Penyah BigscoutMedia. Best was say need mu. Obe like video no that one subscribe button. Na be click the notification icon for latest update. Na be tire wa adwen de ama me. Ewo comment section. Better so bas for no share for so anya be ahwe. And you know, ye kwa 24 election mu no. Na end is for mu campaign policies na ensem ewo mu pa. Oh, na ensem mu. Na e be more there. There be more there because me could have made a mu ka say upper east any upper west for no. Obe sure say ombe see beer. Okay, them do moro obo no monza. O me no mu twabi. But I don't know what na yaka. Obaka ya. NDC na omu main flagship policy 24-hour economy enti everyday bia no omu campaign on campaign grounds. Enyomu a na omu bo all the Asɛm na bo. What I say? 24-hour economy. It to Ghana ni be a trim. Emma, this are the way no. Any pe bia just say NDC communicator bia obejina on campaign grounds. And now obeko TV so be a radio so say obe try say obe explain 24-hour economy bia no. Now we try ne bo
24-hour economy is a policy. It's a policy that it is going to make it very. The system will make it possible for you to run at a particular period in time. We'll call at a particular period in time. Now another person will also go another period in time. Then it goes to assessor. Because in 24-hour economy, if there are teachers who have taught, you are teaching in the tertiary institution. Now, which idea you have a lecture by 3 p.m. 3 p.m. By 7 p.m. you have closed.
Normal.
There could also be another lecturer who can also take on from 3 p.m. And will end up by 7 p.m. and will end by 9 p.m.
And also normal.
Very good. But have we been able...
After 9,
After 9. We can still run it depending on the number of lecturers who have been accrued in the university.
Lecturers need any problem to say students na ekosua dem.
Yes.
Na 24-hour economy ma me no papa no mo amotiti fie mo amoyen emwa. John Mahama say what the modern farming techniques and the deba. Enti under animal farming. Wo ko ba bi ti say pudon. E wo chana. Wo ko ho animal farming no wonim say jata ni mo akese elephant ni ade nyina egu farm no bi. Eti wontimi nkose wokọ akodododo ana se wokọ wakodua nuane wo ho eti wodi kai set up plantation ni bibia wie uwia ne ogya moa na gum na agya moa ne gum a wobehia omo so a wo mo di plane ebefa wiem no mas asevo emoa ne nuane ne ade na proud to that no what training expert for wo mo so ebehwe nkwan a friend say omo ebehwe mboa no so boa bi yare a ebetima wo no pane ne ade ade na sanyoma we nyina na e baso a ebeboa ma omo mawie agric e wa agric KNUST Legon wo mu nyina benya adwuma ye omo nya adwuma ye
with all that we are saying 24-hour economy no ye we adwuma bebre a wo for me na ompese omo operate 24 hours
be a day
ye wo poultry farms
24-hour poultry
farms are the areas are omo pay protection
poultry farm.
At every time biano, they can work 24 hours without any ebi kusia. Ebi like omi kusia.
Se kusia de akoko no ebre so na oto. What do you guys 24-hour economy to call for small corner to kusia.
There be enye sa.
Ti be se poultry farm.
Like tem biano pese omunya eye adwuma. So, pese omuye adwuma. Abra problems we am by be a street say be anajo. Ye ni ho me bia obi aba bebu ye friends ye poultry farmer no. So tem bia pese omuye production.
I want to be clear on this. Say me poultry farm for me now. For now, me nyanye 24-hour economy require no. For me na poultry farm na same. Okay, say me here protection for poultry farmer. I don't get it.
Areas bia for one enye safe. Enye
About 40.
What's your brother? About bearing. Also about bearing 40 day. Our
24 hours economy.
Now how they know OTS here?
24 hour economy no. Obiatias here. Very very simple. She says you buy about 10. Eco 10. Abona eco 10. Yapon another president another program it was well. It's another 24 hours na yakwa anim. Arambwa. Yapon mama show na. Still on edda ho. Arambwa. Who point my students? Na sada from 10 to 11.
Yeah, and cut off.
Monpon, but another political program and costume. Another Arambwa.
The government point 24-hour economy.
That's sada was here.
That's a politics.
Yes, no so was near to us. On this point apart, na omomudu na musaba. Na ekwa enim. Still no pon. Obi am free say na say money to us wa.
Na ye pon.
Monpon, but a program is program ne pon. Arambwa. Program ne pon ya pon sisi a important na mo twen na ka o se nya tan bebre because on say me kura book na me buy me kura book full book na me buy the o say into say me kasa na content say be ya me set time endorse nja ga ya pon no 24 hours economy na ka salata go see say 1 hour na 2 hours na ya to aso and 12 2 na ya pon ya pon ya kofie wakasa oba oba 24 hour economy obi me no wakasa wache fo ahin ne ton wache after 6 p.m. Nipas, is it the regular practice?
Maybe because there is no demand.
Absolutely. So
at that time.
So you have to stimulate that demand. John Mahama can once.
Because now Obia candidate head sitting get as national chairman. 12-hour economy no ka electricity bill Asɛm.
24-hour economy no. The ayaba ni say abai ebecha electricity boa ewo from kura edi ama enyuma yefo a mo beba adwuma anajo no ma be ya adwuma enti mo amoye fundraise mo amoye welders mo amokura eka ne ne ama mo hia electricity pa no mo penofo na mo adwuma emfaso aba mo a mo be sign ne na mo ba adwuma anajo use electricity a na ne boa ede akofom wo mo ya iron rods ene ya mo use anyam awode kese no mo be ye mo adwuma anajo a wo be hu se anyam awode boa be kofom pa aboa mo ama mo anya mfaso na maburu no so wo mo anya adwuma aye enti abana nteni a church 24-hour economy num na mujitumu a eno eye game changer ewo
Tira say Nigeria mu no abeye si one time. I say omu hia so tro. I say police no be na kama wo mu o man kasa nkomu amu man plan e. It later ana omu aka ga say o dey adena say dey fire ya atwe fire bodo enti enye ni say. Eye one job 3 shift 3 people. My assessment kura no e kan ensem we bi. Enti e ho no ene benya 133 format and I say 133 formation. That is 24-hour economy. It means say adwuma ba akono ye be running the 3 shift 8 pa me and we ba anopa 8-hour shift we ba anopa na go point be 2 na we akoba 2 na go point be 10 na we akoba 19 na what I say yes enti sa na ombe kan 133 policy it na ada obi a trimu but nansi yan ana Ghana Vice President Professor Nana Jane Opoku-Agyeman say on one kasa ebo ne den no or give you speech on 24-hour economy. Na hono eno go chire ma say 24-hour economy no is not about job creation. So be come be say 24-hour economy no ye be but on him say on campaign grounds. O guys over be enuma 24-hour economy no age so opia bedidi opia benya adwuma ye they are coming to create jobs. But Jenna chire mu say 12-hour economy is not just about job creation. Any job creation. And chire mu na say onon e kan. Enwachi ana minister for employment as Abeka in Sembi. Next and some no abeda ne flagadam bi as a 24-hour economy policy no. O man antinasian plan. As a o man gaza no mo de bae no. O mo nim do mo kan fa ho. No na comedian say Ghana for no. And o ma be clash. Do which you see atoye colored TV ba ya hwenya nyani atoye colored TV. Akwaje black and white Ghana ya bo wonder bala.
This is here Ghana for say o ma to o color TV and I got the black and white. Saying this is for Ghana for say they are coming to manage the economy to the extent say they are coming to cut costs. Na omaba na Ghana for atu about boom so Ghana so oh yeah but we're going to operate on a lean government. We're going to make a small appointment. Appointment with the but look at the number of presidential staffers or baby. No we at home. Or want to pay 60-something%. This year now called 5,000 Ghana is a net. This year budget 35,000. Ghana also is going to more. I got some Munti. Ghana me how and this vote me a brand of Ghana vote me John to Abomasa. Small. They came to make themselves better. They came in, they were fighting all these one to make themselves better. Say Obia Obo operating on 24-hour economy. We'll say 15,000, 150,000 workforce. Graduates of maybe school from nurses and teachers. You can't absorb them even next year. I want to absorb your way. So NDC 419 Chrono Azan yanda da man for small that kind of bones are gonna find you more ha and enya asofo kwasiafo bi amude na omo are gonna find you more hands no more bashawo and na nyame ahyemkom say we no omo the president na nyame say Christopher Makwan Mankremoni embedi ade na sekremoni bedi ade a Christopher no ebebre when ya a tactics it's an antics to set up the minds of Ghanaians, make Ghanaians look stupid. So Jimmy na masofo at the Bible that damo and into no na for about me one time yan to about makoto mama so they don't have time for you. Some of you know, I'm not going to range over. But this was the guy, or Cassassin, the guy that comes to one by on the pay. So, Ghana for my mood is ever pa. Yamukom, mood is ever.
Oh, yeah, she's a video way. You are a better one.
Guys. All this unemployment with the go for this country inside could be sorted out by John Mahama and the NDC's 24-hour economy policy. Easy.
How you go do
Simple. John Mahama and the NDC say them will encourage and support certain businesses, make them operate 24/7, preferably on the 3-shift system of 8 hours each, by creating an enabling environment that will promote productivity, competitiveness, and well-paying jobs for us after school.
Good. But men, make a busy question. We can companies and businesses with John Mahama and the NDC they refer to.
The 24-hour economy will primarily but not exclusively focus on agro-processing, manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, constructions, mining and acquiring industries, leisure and hospitality, the sanitation and waste management, digital startups, business process outsourcing, retail centers, financial services, modern markets, transportation services. Some public institutions like the Ports and Harbour, Customs, DVLA, and Passport Office are all included. what the me be saying, there are no limits to companies and businesses we go benefit from the 24-hour economy policy.
Hey, Mensa. You sure say this 24-hour economy system go fit?
Kofi pa.
Kofi enya la ne say eyezu eyaza. Na ebusia munim arewosem a ewo sa video na mo hwe nim. Arewosem e wo mun say sa boys na o mo ye sa video nim po no. O mo tifi a o mo ni adwumaye. Sa boys na o mo ye sa advert no e de ama NDC fo no. O mo ni adwumaye. Hwe 24-hour economy is the biggest scam in the history of Ghana. You see that? Yenya a year politicians a who do a mumaba be bo a who do a momoko. But 24-hour economy na John Mahama. Whatever to Ghana food him say will be a benye jumayeno. It was the biggest scam. What about dada Ghana for? What the dada Ghana for you now? NDC eyezu eyaza so wutie me so bia benya adwuma ye adwuma no bebusua ma brochirefo nyina be fra brochira ba benya adwuma ye busa ho se adwuma no wo henfa adwuma na omo hye mo bo se wo bia benya adwuma ye ana nkokon ketenkete ana de ben ana we be free ha ana we ko no pa na we akọ nyimre na we akọ na ye ka kire mu se enya ade be edu tambi mpo no esie do nketia ba be ka kire Ghana fo se ana omombe ye friend say enkofo kura beton wa acha na do omo fitafo nyina be ye adwuma na do se ne be ya enkanea no ebeba fo esie do nketia o de betu mutirim se moto abade ma NDC a enkanea ebu beba fom na fitafo nyina be ye adwuma na do emia be ka kire mu se enye possible abruchira mpokura ne ye wo ha na me driver ni abruchira mpo na se bi car se doors wo ha no kura no fitafo eye 8 hours eya no pa ekusi anyumre no mapon na kampese Ghana oh akwana ni tikasi no DKB asehwan ono so ka ho omo be ye ana banks nyina be bie eya anajo Ghana bank awia kete kura no akronfo di tuo esi nkofo so age omusika say bank e ba be ye adwuma eya anajo omo de adada mo omo de adada Ghana fo ene Ghana fo esu na mo fi se bia sabi na ye tumo fo se monya ahwe na nkofo we omuni adwuma papa bia de mamo no na mo fi se eboa ene 24-hour economy no adane boachi bidin omo mpese ombebo so kra omo mpese ye beka ho asem na Ghana so pe adwuma pa den enye Ghana nko a o ewiase afo na ba bia so pe adwuma pa den a eye adwuma wafa to ho so se odie amamuo bone a ekoso NDC amamuo bone entrone na ada na ekoso no wodi also be defended wodi also be kasa adada nkofo din enye izo ene omo communicators ni nyina omo hudi omo nka ene Kevin Taylor ene ohudi wonka ene Captain Smart okan we ne ade achi anu akwa kan we kese omo akwa ese eye nkofo bi asa omo ko mani no ma bo mochi omo ye wonran and how many times the mutati Kevin Taylor nka oba ne ade achi awomba because ade be na wo ba beka Bosha hodo a wa buy no ehye 24-hour economy obia bedidi obia be ye adwuma obia be say wache kure beton wache anajo we di ne die besia chese omo keka sansem we nyina ma ne to Ghana emeburu ni trim because omo pe adwuma ye emma nkwada ana na adedanko akufuado etimi edo mu ko school free omo ntwia kapreba sankwada we nyina hyase so mu di na adedanko akufuado atem eso no omawofo entua kapreba ene sa nkwada yi omo tititifie at least na danko akufo ado de odomu ko school etuanye bibia akura no watimi ahwe Ghana fo nkwada John Mahama wonso shebo omo bo say oba omo nyina benya adwuma bebuso ama obia bedidi eti John Mahama enkwada na danko akufo ado edo omo ko school free mode eye sabi ensam hye omutrim emo fo na danko akufo ado ho tan no enkwada na say adwuma na mo hye omo 24-hour economy obi abedidi obi abaye adwuma no san kwada na se mimbusa mo se sa 24-hour economy no da be na ye hye ase ehefa no monko na se do monko pa adwuma de binye se ma hye ase so a monkyere ye kwan no na san kwada ne nko pa ye adwuma ne binye mo ma san kwada we be didi na danko akufo ado atem ene awofo kem because na danko akufo ado eye free education or the buy and ayanwo wan resetting abusia ensempi me phone ya ekuta mi se me ka se me reset phone na ya wo no ma bi wo ho a ya wo pictures bi videos bi wo ho a wan hwe be free phone so because me reset me change bibia ye bibia foforo ama phone no s ye friends ni munu it one sha and no maybe wo ha e be free phone so because me reset phone Ghana for antiase and nutina John Mahama baye and no maybe wo ha eye munai so wo ba be reset it will reset no bebrebe free so bebrebe free with free education no ayenwonwa 24-hour economy ni or the adada mu galam say no omutu omo reset eyezu eya za Kionet aban papa na mo se ebeba no aban papa na aba no wasetena muti sen adwuma ekosen mode na danko akufo ado ene bawomia ebuo ebebre wo because omu tumufo omu kachire mo ye kachire mo nti na tie no mo yes advert no komodi wo mo omu kromu ni adwuma ye na kampese wo na sa DK bina ni tise eye Ghana map no DK bina ni tise Ghana map na ono be say 24-hour economy ana ye banks nyina be bie eye anajo no sa DK bi no ni tise Ghana map no ono ene wo hefa wa tonsuom onse na ono kura no onya comedy show kura mbobie mo onya comedy show o men mo ye tawe o men mo ye den ama eye ekrampo enya aduane mpo endi
hwe Ghana fo aban bia ebaso a omo wo opposition omo kasa papa so omo ko opposition omo kasa papa ade papa bia ba omo beba ato agu sesi ato forcing so obeye toilet efie bia mo obeye toilet amayen ato forcing mejeme dia gibi wo mi kurom so obeye toilet ba wo miaka so obeye toilet mutu ni di Mr Toilet Man mutu ni di nkofo bia wo mu firi wo mu kurom bimbila wo san hene wo mu kura titiri wo mu na to ba wo miadi Mr Toilet Man ato forcing so obeye toilet ama the whole Ghana no mati ana monte fa bibla mi fie na fa bi ko mi kurom asante be kwai mi fie mi kurom mi fie ho mi wo toilet ho ba sa fa bi ko every say wo man sika ena mo be se no fa bi ko ho ne fa bibla mi wo enkran ba bia mi fie wo mo ye hu dede ba wo mianim nyansa no hu se nipa wo kotwa wo didi a wo beyo wo nam kna ha no politics da ho na akotia so a na pew na abo agu so last mi ko akra akodi dwa na nsu atonsu to bilebi mu na ensuo na muna ensuo ne di kanto ahomache ena adama anopa no emudwo ye nam so mi kwa akodi dwa na nya mesi ade we mi wen fida na politics dem hu ya ne fo matade achi ni me na kokom efo na ne me fire pia otawura na me titigu machi na pesese panimu bi ejanan pigu me ho pew miti aso na ene eno ane fo pew enam toilet ye ni nkna ho toilet ya eni petimi ahwe nyame anim asifie so mu ni toilet wo ba wo miaka so obe toilet mutu ni di Mr Toilet man ene e monte ya munyi yi masom atofo sense obe ye toilet efie bia mu obi abenya toilet enti mutu ba wo miadi Mr Toilet man ene na atofo sene yi ya no aban musum ye toilet man momani enhu asem na ka di aba wo miaka so obe ya nka yi mu botugu ye nkani kwanse mo ba ye mo boso mo be ye toilet mo hu se nipa didi wi a woyo mo hu se nipa didi wi a oja ne nan mo wo position mo be kasa saa se komani bro se die ban yo wo dwen ho kora wonte ase mo ba ye na hwe agye mu nsam yi mo hu yi mfa kola nhye mu ya agye mu nsam yi se mo hu de nyame timi ye mo to ba omiadin monte social media fo ya no mo fo amugu app yi so monte se atofo se mo so am be toilet mon start kura ma mu hu din ansa na ya betutu mu din mo ya ho ya afo papa mo ya ho ya ende se won se makama no enfantini se makama no apado on se makama no apado se mo hu se makama no apado oba be sia ye ne to se double double and to asesa from se double ekotena UTV se ba wo mia se obesi toilet dia wonimu nyanza enti atofo sense obesi toilet na no so be ka sembe na akire no maami ei wo be ka sembe na akire no edin toilet na atofo sen bo modi ana ye ne fa bibile me ne fa bi ko mi kuro masante be kwai ne fa bibile me nkena ha na nya sa mentwe ma toilet ya wo besie ne fie bia mu benya bi ba o mi akra nya ba bia na o ka se wo si toilet o hwe bi no mu hawo na o ka se o besi toilet mo se nya toilet na mu hia mutu ni din na afede de mu besi toilet ya mu obia ya ka cho se hia toilet ade esi ye fie ya fa toilet ya hye mu ana ya ka chem se esi toilet ye fie ni ya fa toilet ya hye mu mo
Chira waje wapi ewa conversation ayi Penyah BigscoutMedia Accra.